Welcome to the court of Emperor Ashoka, one of the most powerful rulers of the Maurya dynasty, known as a fierce warrior. Ashoka ruled with an iron fist, but one war would change him forever. Let's see his journey from a ruthless king to messenger of peace.
Attention! King Ashoka is approaching in the court.
शूरवीर बलवान दयामय प्रजापाल रक्षक करुणामय वो कहलाए है महान जन जन समदर्शी चक्रवर्ती राजा प्रियदर्शी वो कहलाए.
Minister, what is the news about Kalinga?
Your Majesty, people of Kalinga has defied your rule. They refuse to be conquered.
Kalinga denied to be conquered. Now what? Your Honor, I think that this is a huge disrespect to you. Now other kingdoms and states will take your rule lightly.
How dare they defy my rule? Prepare the army. We will go to war. Kalinga will pay for this.
You are right, Your Honor. Kalinga will pay for this.
Yes, Majesty. Yes, Majesty. Kalinga will pay for this.
And so, Ashoka and his army marched to Kalinga. The battle was fierce and ruthless. After a fierce battle, Ashoka emerged victorious. But as he looked at the battlefield, he saw only death and destruction.
My child to war just for ambition to conquer the world. Who will look after us now?
You are the king. You have no one to rule, but we are one who are destroyed by the wars.
Okay. You are the one who killed my father. Bring him back or take away my life too.
We are your subjects. It is your duty to ensure that your decisions does not affect us. Now how will I and my child survive?
We had a wonderful family. You killed all my children and a peaceful life.
What have I done? So much pain. So much suffering, all for power. Now I realize that my whole empire is standing on these dead corpses of innocent lives. I don't know. I was blinded by my greed of power and dominance that would lead me to this mass destruction of innocent lives. I don't know what to do. Screams of dying soldiers crying of widows and orphans are echoing in my head. And this pain of regret is eating me alive inside. I don't know. How can I be of this sin now?
We won now. You are the only one to rule Kalinga.
I have caused so much destruction. I do not want to be a king. Minister, how can I come out of this regret now?
Your Majesty, there is one monk which might have solution to come out of this situation of regret. Would you like to meet him now?
Yes, sure.
Call the monk. King Ashoka wants to meet him.
I have caused so much suffering. Is this the path of a true king?
True greatness lies not in causing suffering, but in bringing peace and harmony. You may change your path now. Past cannot be changed, but the future can. A great person is the one who forgets his past, learns from his mistakes and accepts them too. You have to decide how to make your kingdom great and happy again with peace.
I have seen horrors of war, and now I wish to change. From today onwards, I will be ruling with compassion and follow the path of non-violence.
Your Majesty, you are wise and strong. We will support you.
Yes, Majesty. Yes, Majesty. We will support you.
And so, Emperor Ashoka spent rest of his life promoting peace and teachings of Buddhism, leaving behind a legacy of compassion and wisdom. Emperor Ashoka's transformation teaches us the power of change, compassion, and peace. May his story inspire us to seek non-violence and kindness in our lives.
सांस शाश्वत
shot. Sa na na sa na na.